Okay, so we're looking at question 14 now. Buses to Acton leave a bus station every 24 minutes. Buses to Barton leave the same bus station every 20 minutes. A bus to Acton and a bus to Barton both leave a bus station at 9 AM. When will a bus to Acton and a bus to Barton next leave a bus station at the same time? So this sort of question is lowest common multiple. It's looking for a multiple of 24 and a multiple of 20. There's different ways to work this out, but for this question I'm just going to do the listing method. So if I list all my multiples of 20, and I'll list all my multiples of 24, I'll stop when I get to a multiple which is in both my 20 times table and 124. Now this question's worth 3 marks. Obviously we're not getting 3 marks just for this. That's 1 mark. I need to now convert this into hours and minutes and add on to 9 AM. So 120 minutes is 2 hours. If I then add that to 9 AM, next time the bus to leave to Barton and Acton, it will be 11 AM from that bus station. Okay, questions, what we got here, 15. Expand and simplify. So what I'm going to do is expand this bracket, making sure I've got my negative and my positive next to my 4. So we get 2x and positive 6y, 4x and negative 4y. So I'm just going to write that out because it's 2 marks. I've got 1 mark for expanding. Now my next mark's coming from simplifying. 2x had 4x, 6x, 6y subtract 4y is 2y. Here we've got the opposite, expanding, factorising. Factorise completely. So I want to take out not just a factor of my numbers, but looking at my letters as well. So I've put it back into this box. 8 and negative 12, what have we got in common? Well, 4. We've got 2 in common as well, but I'm factorising completely. I want the biggest number out. So 4 and PQ, I've got P. So it's just a case of what do I times 4P by to get 8P? Times 4P by to get negative 12PQ. Factorise completely. Okay, question 16. It's another highest common factor question, lowest common multiple. This time I'm just going to show you the Venn diagram method. So 30 and 42, there's different ways to do it. For 2 marks it might be worth just listing your factors in 30 and 42, but Venn diagram is always useful. Factors of 30 and factors of 42. So 2 goes in them both, 3 goes in them both, 5 and 7. So my highest common factor is all my factors in common. These, so it's 2 times 3, which is 6. It's very similar below. It says find the lowest common multiple of 30 and 45. So just to change number here. So 45. So I've written them out again. I'm just going to put them in. 3 goes in both. 2's just in 30. We've got 5 in both as well. And another 5 there. So my lowest common multiple is a multiple of all these numbers. So 2 times 3 times 5 times 5, which is 6 times 25. Oh, apologies, I made a mistake here. It's 45. It's my handwriting. 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. So my Venn diagram I've got 3 in both, and I've got 2, and I've got a 5 in both, but then I've got a 4 over here. So it should be 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. On a non-calculate paper, easiest way to do this, do 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 3 to get 90. For this style of question, listing might be easier. I just wanted to show you Venn diagram because I showed you listing last time. And the final question. Here's a prism. It's made by cutting a solid cube of side 2 cm in half. So I know these are 1 cm cubes. What's the volume of the prism? Well, that's 1. and this one make 2, and then I've got the same there, so 4 centimeters cubed. Look at your marks. Where's that third mark coming from? Your units as well. Thank you.